Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable recurring payments for Amex credit cards, detailed guide step by step clearly. To disable recurring payments for your American Express credit card, begin by logging into your American Express account. Go to the official American Express website or open the mobile app. Enter your username and password to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Services section. Look for the option labeled Manage Payments or Recurring Payments. Click on this option to view all your active recurring transactions. Identify the payment you wish to deactivate. Select the specific payment to open the details. You will see an option to cancel or disable the recurring payment. Click on the cancellation option to start the process. A confirmation prompt may appear, asking you to verify your choice. Confirm the cancellation to finalize the changes. You should receive a notification indicating that the recurring payment has been successfully disabled. Monitor your account statements in the following months to ensure no further charges appear for that recurring payment. If you encounter any difficulties, consider contacting American Express customer service for assistance. Keep in mind that disabling a recurring payment does not affect previous charges incurred. Review your account regularly to stay on top of any other subscriptions or recurring payments. This will help you maintain control over your finances and avoid unwanted charges in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.